you want to do this one? This will be the easiest. I'll still help you guys.
Okay.
All right. Come on up, Summer. Oh, hold on a second. There. Hey. All right. So we're going to do a bunch of things. This one's going to work really well already. I already know this.
It's so different from it.
It's interesting, isn't it?
It's really cool.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to, because you had a question also when we were talking the other morning about like how much content do you really need to get. We've been doing a lot of stuff content free. So this will help you with that too,
Okay,
because
cool.
then you'll kind of notice. So what, just in general, what's the situation you're thinking about?
Oh, at work, I have to do a lot of design work in AutoCAD, and I get really flustered and frustrated.
How do you do that? What happens? So you're at like a desktop computer.
And I'm sitting there, and I'm thinking I need to get this work done by 6 hours from now, by the end of the day or something.
Yeah.
And like I try, so I'm like getting there now.
I can see that.
Yeah. So
What is it that you're trying to do there?
I'm trying to get the damn thing to work. So like I just, you know, I need to do some function.
How do you, stop for a second,
And
how
it's
do you
not
know the
working.
damn thing's not working?
Because
What are you seeing?
I'm seeing, to get really specific, I mean, like I need just something as simple as like the font needs to look different when I create the PDF. Yeah.
And then, so you're seeing that, and you can't get it to work right. You can't change it,
Yeah.
right?
And I can't find the right buttons to press.
You can't find the right buttons to press. And when
Yeah.
you can't find the right buttons to press, what happens?
Then I feel stupid. Like I should know.
Right. This is where I was kind of wondering where this was going. And when you kind of feel stupid and you're wondering, or you're thinking that you should know, how are you actually like doing that on the inside? Yeah. You see, she keeps going over to auditory. That's what I was trying. But she's going to auditory tonal. She's going to auditory tonal. So she's focusing in. This is going to be good. This is going to be a little bit more than I thought I was going to do, but we're going to do this anyway. Okay. So this is good. So you guys see where I'm talking about here? She's kind of going like more like over here. There's definitely a visual component. There's no doubt about that, because she's going from visual defocus, just like she's there, and a little bit of remembered when I'm asking her more questions. This is going to be,
Oh, cool.
yeah, this is going to be fun. So now, what I want you to just notice when you get to the point and you can't get the damn thing working, you know, and it's kind of like, you know, it's like, is there something, you know, you're stupid or whatever. I want you to hear what you're hearing in your head when you get to that point and it's not working and you have a time deadline. Yeah, like what kind of voice are you hearing?
It's me.
Do you see? This is what just close your eyes for a second. I'm going to exaggerate. This is what she did. She went, "It's me, it's me, okay, it's you." And how? What's the voice tone? What's it sound like?
Punishing.
Punishing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Time out.
Did I move my eyes that time?
You did.
Oh, I did? Wow.
You literally went to auditory, because that's why I wouldn't normally have even bothered with this, but it was just so obvious every time in the beginning. She kept going over to auditory remembered. And see, that's different than just what you're saying to yourself in her head. And she's actually tuning more into the tonality. So it's like she's punishing herself. Now think about this. Just try this on for a second. You know, if you're trying to get something to work and it's not working, self-punishment would be good, wouldn't it? That's going to really help. You know, you already have a time deadline and all that. Well, I think I'll punish myself on top of that.
Is that what I've been doing?
Well, this is what you just said.
To know that.
Yeah.
Because I've been sitting there at the computer too, even thinking like all the stuff that I know, and I'm like, I should be able to figure that out too. And
But do you
not
hear?
feel frustrated.
Here's the tip-off. I should be able to do this too. So now that's called piling on. Did you know that?
Piling on logs on the
Yeah. Or like in sports, piling on. You know, it's like it's you're already frustrated because you can't get the thing to do what you want. But then it's like, well, now I'm going to try and do something to get myself out of the state, and that's not working either. And so now, you know, But it's the voice tone. Oh, so then we're gonna have a lot of fun with this, because so we know what the problem strategy looks like, right? It's either visual remembered and then visual defocused once she gets into the situation. And you can see where she's seeing the laptop. You can see all that. You can even see where the buttons, where the